Toys are a part of everyone's childhood. However, they were innovated from being made of wood to being made of plastic and metal. Every piece had an intricate design that sparkled imagination. Playing with a toy means hours of imaginative fun rather than simply staring at a screen. Unfortunately, those days are long gone. It's no secret that the toy industry has changed dramatically in the recent years. Gone are the days of sturdy wooden block and metal trains. Today, toys are often made of cheap plastics and rely heavily on technology to provide entertainment. But why has this change occurred? In today's world, every child can be seen holding a cell phone in his or her hand and watching the most iconic YouTube channel of this era, Cocomelon. Well, one reason is the rise of technology. With smartphones and tablets becoming increasingly prevalent in households, children have access to endless array of digital entertainment options. As a result, traditional toys have become less appealing to kids. But it's not just the rise of technology that's to blame for the downfall of toys. The industry itself has also played a role. Social media and smartphones have also played a role in this decline. With the rise of social media, toy companies are now under pressure to constantly release new and exciting products to keep up with the latest trends. This has led to focus on quantity over quality and has resulted in a decline in the overall toy qualities. Why waste money when you can watch a video regarding that product online with good graphics and sound effects? Another major reason why toys suck these days is poor quality. In an effort to cut costs and increase profits, many toy manufacturers have outsourced production to countries with low labor cost. This has led to decrease in the quality of toys. Babies have a habit of putting toys in their mouths. In this case, cheap plastic can be hazardous. However, cheap plastic is now the norm, and many toys are poorly designed and lack of durability. Additionally, the focus on creating toys that are flashy and have a lot of bells and whistles have overshadowed the importance of encouraging imagination and creativity in children. But it's not all bad news. There are still companies that prioritize quality and imagination in their toys. They use sustainable materials and ensure that their toys are designed to promote creativity and learning. These companies prove that it is possible to make great toys that are both environmentally friendly and fun for kids. Moreover, recent years have seen a resurgence of interest in more traditional, open-ended toys like wooden blocks and building sets as parents and educators recognize the value of allowing children to use their imagination and creativity to play. A great example of this is Lego. There is no doubt that Lego gained popularity in the past few years and become one of the most popular and iconic toy brands. It was probably because of reels on Instagram showing structure made out of Lego and probably because of the Lego movie.
Everything is awesome.
However, in the 90s and 2000s, Lego sets were known for their intricate design and high quality pieces. But in the recent years, the company has faced criticism for releasing sets with fewer pieces and simpler designs. Additionally, Lego has also released a number of licensed sets based on popular movies and TV shows, which some argue lack creativity and imagination of the classic Lego sets. If you're a 90s kid, you definitely remember this.
It's time to do.
Another example is trading card games like Pokemon and Yu-Gi-Oh! These trading cards were built with better quality, they had different texture to them. The cards themselves were more durable and long-lasting, and the designs were more creative and intricate. But now they've become more commercialized, with less focus on the gameplay and more on marketing. But hey, maybe this is one of my personal opinions. Similarly, action figures have also lost their luster in the recent years. In the past, action figures were built with better quality and attention to detail. People would visualize themselves with the action figures. But now, many action figures are made with cheap plastics and lack the articulation and details of their predecessors. The ones with good quality are costly, whereas the cheap ones are easily breakable. So parents think that it is just a waste of money, and children prefer watching these action figures actually displaying in their action movies like Marvel. Another factor that contributes to the decline in the toy industry is a decline in the quality of children's television shows. In the past, cartoons and kids' TV shows had a significant influence on the demand of toys. Many popular shows featured unique and interesting characters, which inspired children to play with toys based on those characters. As a result, Toy manufacturers focused on producing high-quality, well-designed toys and closely resemblance the characters' worlds seen on TV. However, with the decline in quality of children's television shows, the demand for these types of toys have also dropped. Nowadays, many children's TV shows are more focused on promoting merchandise and less on storytelling and character development. This has led to a decrease in quality and creativity of toys, as manufacturers are more focused on mass-producing cheap, low-quality toys to meet demand. Do you remember the days of browsing the aisles of Toys R Us, singing along to the catchy jingle?
I don't wanna grow up, I'm a toy just kid.
Yeah, that one. For many of us who grew up in the 80s and 90s, Toys R Us was a staple in our childhood. But in the recent years, the beloved toy store has faced numerous struggles, leading to the closure of all its global retail stores in 2021. However, it seems that Toys R Us is not ready to say goodbye just yet, as the company has made a comeback through their partnership with Macy's. But what led the decline of the toy industry giant, and what can we learn from its comeback? One major factor was the rise of online retailers such as Amazon, which made it increasingly difficult for brick-and-mortar stores to compete. Customers could easily purchase toys online at the lower price with the convenience of having them delivered straight to their door. This shift in consumer behavior made it difficult for Toys R Us to keep up. Another factor was the company's heavy debt load, which made it difficult for Toys R Us to invest in new stores, products, and technology. This further hindered the company's ability to compete with online retailers. The Macy's partnership allows Toys R Us to open shop-in-shop spaces within select Macy's stores, offering customers a curated selection of toys. This allows Toys R Us to reach customers in a way that couldn't have been done before, and provide Macy's with a unique selling point. This comeback serves as a reminder of the importance of innovation and adaptation in the face of changing market conditions. It also highlights the enduring appeal of physical stores, even at the age of online shopping. So, what can be done to make the toy industry better? Toys are not just for children, but for adults as well. Collectors and parents make up a significant portion of toy store customers and should be a focus for toy sellers, as they have financial means to be purchased and invested in their product. This is an important target market that should not be overlooked, especially for businesses with limited financial resources. Hosting events can be an effective way to increase store awareness and sales. Planning events such as game nights, charity drives, and seasonal sales in advance can attract crowds to your store. Participating in toy-based charities can also be a great way to get your brand out there while making a positive impact on your community. Whether it's helping children in hospitals or low-income families with Christmas gifts, the choice of charity is up to the store, and it can be used as a way to promote the brand while assisting others. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.